Hey, good day, everybody. How are you all doing? This is Dr. Nandi. For those of you who do not know me, this is the crazy dude, Dr. Nandi, who solves all kinds of math problems and uploads it on his YouTube video channel. I have also uploaded many travel videos, short travel videos all across the world. So if you get a chance, maybe you can take a look at my travel videos, especially when you get bored watching the math videos. Hey, I realize math is a tough subject and very difficult sometimes if you do not understand how to proceed to solve a problem. Therefore, I have solved all kinds of math problems, uploaded them in my channel. So if you mm, like to know the correct steps in solving math problems, you can always check out my channel. So without further ado, let me get started. Request for you, please stick around till the end of this video because this will be a short presentation. So here I go. Find the surface area of a sphere with radius equal to 10 centimeter. So solution, the formula for surface area of a sphere is is if you call it A, some people call it S, doesn't matter, is equal to 4 pi r square, where pi is the constant number 3.14. So for our problems, so for our problem, area is equal to 4 times 3.14, not 4, 3.14 times radius square is 10 square, and the unit is very important. Unit is centimeter square. Think of a tennis ball. You play with tennis ball, it's sphere in nature. What is the surface area? Have you ever wondered? So this is the formula you got to use. 4 times 3.14 times radius square. So in our case, this area will be equal to 4 times 3.14 is 12.56 times 10 square is 100, and the unit is centimeter square. Or area will be equal to 1256 centimeters square. This is the area of a sphere with radius r. Radius r. Okay. So this is the area for the surface of a sphere which radius is whose radius is 10 centimeter. I just checking it, making sure I did it correctly. 4 times 3.14 times 100. I'm using my calculator, and yes, I got 1256. So this is the correct answer. Hey, I stop here today. If you have any question, comment, always shoot me a question in the comments area. If you like this video and if you thought that it is useful, please give me a thumbs up. That really motivates me. Hey, you are the sponsor of my video. I do not have any other sponsor. So I appreciate your feedback on this. Okay. And if you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And please do not forget to watch me out tomorrow when I'll be back with another new problem. Thanks again. Take care. Have a nice day.